Now we need to review wholes, halves, quarters, and eighths, all the note values and the rest values. So we're going to go over them quickly before I give you some review options on the screen. So first up, the whole note, a sound worth 4 beats. All 4 beats are connected by the dashes or the lines in between to show that that sound continues through all 4 beats. Over here we have the whole rest, same sort of thing except it's put in parentheses because it's a silence that is worth 4 beats. Down here we have a half note. The half note is a sound worth 2 beats. So it's connected 1 to 2 by the dash, 1 dash 2. And we have, starting on beat 3 here, we have a half rest. So it goes 3-4, but it's put in parentheses because it's a rest. We have the opposite here, half rest followed by a half note. Over here we have a quarter note. The quarter note gets numbered for the beat it falls on. So if it falls on beat 3, you write 3. If it falls on beat 6, you write 6. Same thing for the quarter rest, except it gets put in parentheses because it's a rest. All right, so then we have 3 different pairings of notes and rests for the eighth notes and eighth rests. We have a pair of eighth notes, so it's the number of the beat it falls on followed by an and, that's what we say, or we write a plus sign. So down here we have a note followed by a rest, same thing, 1 and, but the and is in parentheses because it's a rest. The opposite, 1 and, with the 1 in parentheses because the rest is first. All right, so we're going to review a couple. Let's pull one up now. Here we go. Make sure before we get started that you pay attention to the time signature. You're always going to count through that number. So if it says 4, the last number that you need is going to be a 4. If it says 7, the last number that should be represented is 7. All right, so I'm going to pull up a pause button periodically through this. When you see that, press pause on your computer or device and take note of this example. Write it down if you have to. Look at your screen, whatever you've got to do. Once you think that you have the right answer, you can press play again to see if you got it right. All right, so this is our first example. Go ahead and press pause now. Okay, let's look at this one together. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, and let's look what it looks like when it's written. 1, 2, 3, 4, and nothing in parentheses because we don't have any rests. Let's try another one. All right, make sure you check your time signature. It says 5, so you should make your counts go through beat 5. Go ahead and press pause now. Okay, now let's pull up the right answer. Let's see if you got it. So we have 1 in parentheses. That's a quarter note rest, or quarter rest in parentheses. 2, 3, and 4, 5 in parentheses. So the only things that would be played here, the only sounds are 2, 3, and then 4, 5 would be silent, and 1 would be silent. All right, let's keep on moving. Here's another one for you. Pay attention to the time signature. Go ahead and press pause now. Okay, let's take a look at the right answer. 1 and 2-3. So the 1 is in parentheses because it's got that eighth rest. And down here, 2-3 because it's a half note. It's a sound that goes through the third beat. Next up, we've got one in 6-4. Your counts need to make it all the way to number 6. Go ahead and press pause and try it now. Okay, check out the right answer. 1-2-3-4, 5 and then 6 is silent in that rest. So you got the parentheses around it. Cool, hope you're getting these right so far. Here's our next one. Back to 4-4 time, common time. Go ahead and press pause now. Okay, let's take a look at the right answer. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. So now I'll count it with the rests observed. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. All right, so you notice how I whispered those ones that were rests. That way you know that you're not playing anything there. All right, let's try another one together. Again, 4/4 time. Make sure your counts go up to 4. Go ahead and press pause and try it now. Okay, let's take a look at the right answer here. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Right? So that one you heard 3, 4. It was stretched through that. It sustained through from beat 3 all the way through beat 4. We have a rest on 2. But that's why it's in the parentheses there. Let's take a look at our next one. 3/4 time. So your highest number is going to be 3 in this one. Go ahead and press pause now. Okay, so let's take a look. 1, 2, and 3. So you had 2 notes and 2 rests, right? 2 sounds, 2 silences. 1, 2, and 3. All right, this one is in 6/4. Your highest number should be 6. Go ahead and press pause and give it a try. All right, let's take a look at the right answer. So you have 1-2 for that half note, 3 in parentheses, right? It takes up all beat 3. 4 and for the eighth notes, and then 5-6 in parentheses for the half rest. Now make sure you got that one. That's a half rest because it looks like a hat, right? A half rest is worth 2 counts. There you have it. Well done. I hope this review has helped you all out. If not, press play again. Put it on repeat until you're starting to get it. This is something that you need to continuously work on. It's okay if you're not getting it right away. Keep on trying and just keep reviewing. All right, have a great day.